If you're on Corfu and would like to visit some places, it's way easier to rent a car rather than to use public transit. The matter is, buses simply won't take you to the majority of places that are worth visiting. At the same time, driving there is also not the easiest thing to do because of the narrow and twisted roads. We went to the farthest point from our hotel, that was Cape Drastis, located in the northwest coast of Corfu. I still can't believe how beautiful it is, this site. The people are there, so I'll come a bit closer a bit later. So we came to Cape Drastis or Cape Drastis. It's in the north of the Corfu Islands and it seems to be accessible only by car, so you'll need to rent one. For us it was a pretty long drive, but I can say it was absolutely worth it. And I could try to fly my drone with some help, of course, because I'm not that experienced. But yeah, we'll try to explore the northern part because there are so many wonderful places. The Cape is famous for its dramatic white cliffs and unique rock formations. The soft sandstone has been shaped by wind and water over millennia. While the Cape itself is somewhat off the beaten path, it can be reached by a narrow road from the nearby village. The area around Cape Drastis is dotted with secluded coves and small hidden beaches. These spots are often accessible only by boat. Cape Drastis is a popular spot for watching the sunset, but we visited it around noon and it was not less magnificent. Our next stop was a 5-minute ride from the Cape and it's called the Channel of Love. There is a parking lot nearby, so you can easily park there and enjoy the area. According to the local legend, couples who swim through the narrow channel together will find eternal love and happiness. The area is well known for its distinctive sandstone rock formations. These have been sculptured by wind and water over centuries, creating narrow channels, arches and caves that make the area uniquely beautiful. It is also worth mentioning that, although the water is clear, it's not transparent as in other parts of the island because of all the sand. It tends to get really crowded and jumpy, so you might want to come in the morning if you want to relax. There are also quite a few restaurants right on the venue, however the prices will be higher than average. Our third highlight of the trip was Porto Timoni beach. Due to its relative inaccessibility, Porto Timoni is less crowded than other beaches on Corfu. So we came to Porto Timoni beach. It is situated near one of the cities, like the small cities. I'll write the name somewhere here. So it's a kind of a hike from the nearest parking lot. It's like about 20 minutes on foot. I would recommend to take some hiking boots or at least like sneakers. It's possible to do in flip-flops. We've done it, but still the way is pretty stony. So you might want to think about that. And oh my god, it's so beautiful. Porto Timoni is famous for its double beach with two separate bays connected by a narrow strip of land. One bay faces the open sea, while the other is more sheltered. The beach is accessible primarily by a hiking trail from the village of Afionas. The hike is relatively challenging, taking about 20 to 30 minutes. Besides hiking, Porto Timoni can be also reached by boat. And the last but not least stop on the agenda was in Paleokastritsa. Make sure to stop somewhere on your way to have a look at its heart shape from above. Obviously, if you're in Paleokastritsa already, you can't really get an idea of how it looks like. The area offers several beautiful beaches, so you will definitely find something you like. And that was a pretty tiring but eventful day. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.